was like 10,000 views on YouTube I got, man. Oh, yeah, buddy.
Today I'm going camping again. I bought a paddleboard, so I'm so excited to try it on the water. Let's see how it goes. Look at my new paddleboard. Yeah, let's take it out. Paddleboard is one of the best things I've ever bought. Oh, it feels so good with your feet in the water. You can fish off of it, you can tan off of it, you can have maybe like 3 people on it at the same time. You can go deep in the water. It's wonderful. Filming on the new GoPro, thanks to Patreon. Relaxing out here. You guys need to get out and start camping. It feels so good, it's so relaxing. I bet the sunset would be amazing from here. Work between that and working as a nurse, it wears me out, so I needed some time to relax with my family, and this board is just a super plus. Can you believe we already caught a fish and we just got here straight? Okay. Did you just have your band in your pants?
I literally just had my hands in my pants. Okay, we're gonna wash. Okay, I was just gonna.
You had your hands in your pants?
Act like you're working.
I was tucking my shirt.
Anyways, take.
Can I have that camera?
We're descaling the fish. First night we got here, caught a fish. Bam! Good morning. I woke up 8:30 in the morning. It's kind of smoky out here from the fires that are going on nearby. But the lake is so peaceful and beautiful. We caught something over here over the night. We had some lines in the water. Let's go look at it. My cute little nephew. Did we catch a fish?
No.
We didn't catch a big fish?
No. It's just a small one, but we can eat it.
It's pretty big.
Yes.
It's a big catfish.
Yes. I can go in the water.
Look at that big catfish.
Well, he's getting angry.
That's gonna be dinner tonight.
Yes, fish. This is crazy.
Here's my campsite. You going fishing? Let's see, put it in the water. Let's see you, cutie pie. He's got his little fishing pole, huh, Bubba? So for breakfast, we're having eggs with sausage and green chili and cheese and ham. With some tortillas for burritos. It's gonna be delicious. It's gonna be so good. It's getting warm. It's not windy. It's the perfect day. Look at that. Delicious breakfast. A big catfish. Look at that sucker. He is humongous. He's got his little cat fins, cat whiskers
Got its
on there.
mustache.
Ooh. He's big. That was freaking awesome. I love this paddleboard. It puts you one with the water. Did you like it?
I did. She stood up. I didn't.
It kind of makes you nervous when you stand up, but it's not too bad. We're going to get her to stand up though pretty soon.
She was like a swan, a graceful swan, and I was like a chihuahua. It was a fun
It was
time.
a lot of fun. I highly recommend these. You want to see something delicious? Juicy ribeye steak with corn on the cob and potato salad. Oh yeah, look at that. We're cooking now. Yeah, they're looking good. That professional fishing right there, buddy. All right, we're gonna try again.
It was under me.
We're gonna catch a big one. Look at all these nails it picks up. This is a magnet, and it's a good idea to roll your camp before you set up because there's tons of nails and hooks. Let me show you the bag that we collected of nails and hooks. Look at that. It's a huge bag full of them. It's so dangerous for kids and tires and bare feet. Wow. There, thank you. You gonna help? All right, let's get him over here. Okay.
I see one of its whiskers. Rip its leg.
Okay, now. Okay. Feels so bad.
Don't pet it at this point.
Look at that beautiful little catfish. Sorry. It's a chick. There's babies in here. This is my first time doing this, guys. catfish. All right, now to taste it. That is so good. A little salt and pepper and butter. Guys, that is delicious. It really is. It's like the best meat.
Got it.
Do the sound, do the sound. I'm done the other one.
Dun, 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 dun.
I just made like 10,000 expressions on the way down.
That was like 10,000 views on YouTube I got, man.
Freaking awesome. This is fun. This is really fun. Okay. This is fun. Why are we going down?
That's what you're trying to do.
No, I'm trying to get out. I love my board. That was fun. Completely surprising. Swallowed a lot of water. But it gave me a nice bath. And it was exciting. And I barely did a little move and this thing toppled over. So you got to be super careful on these. I tell you, I love my paddleboard. I think everybody should get one. They're so nice. Today's the last day I'm camping. We're heading back and I am so sad because this was so much fun. I wanted to thank all my Patreons so much for all the support. I really appreciate it. See how my hair is? It's really curly like this. When it's wet, I hope you enjoyed following me around. Bye!
You walk up to me, start dancing to the music. this moment to stop. Time to go home. Don't want this night to end. Yeah,